Welcome back to Science Made Simple. Today we are continuing our series on science fundamentals by discussing the hypothesis. After our discussion, we'll do a short experiment to illustrate how it should work. Here's what you'll need. You'll need water, some type of oil. I'm using baby oil because it's clear and looks like water, but you can use something like cooking oil. You'll also need water-based food coloring and a clear, transparent bottle that has a lid to close it. Lastly, you'll want your lab notebook and a writing utensil so you can write down the question that you're answering, your hypothesis, your observations, and your conclusions. A hypothesis is a prediction or an idea or even a guess that can be tested using valid scientific controls. Basically, that just means that a hypothesis starts with a question that may be answered with the right type of experiment. If you want to learn more about the hypothesis, check out my post titled "Learning About the Hypothesis by Dissolving Peppermint." For today's experiment, the question we are trying to answer is, will baby oil mix with water to form one solution? Or will oil and water mix? Now, write down that question. So what do you think? Why do you think it? Write that down too. That will serve as your hypothesis. Today's experiment is safe, so no need for goggles, gloves, or lab coat. First, add water to your empty bottle. Fill the bottle about halfway up. Both water and baby oil are clear, transparent liquids, so to distinguish them from each other, I'm adding the food coloring to the water. Now I'm adding the baby oil to the water in the bottle. Once you've added the baby oil, close the cap and swirl it around. Even shake it up if you'd like. Remove the cap and allow the liquids to settle for a few minutes. What did you see during the procedure? What do you see now? Make sure to write down your observations. So, based on what you did and what you saw, was your hypothesis correct? How do you know? Here's a bonus question. What was your control in this experiment? For more discussion on controls, check out my next post as we'll discuss more controls that you can add to validate your conclusions in this experiment in that post. I'll see you next time.